Hello, welcome back and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations and it's Happy Mail Monday. I have 4 Happy Mails that I received this week. I received a 5th one, but it was its own video because it was family and friends Happy Mail from Jennifer in North Carolina. And I probably have that one either the week before or the week after this one. This is December when I'm filming it, but I'll probably be putting them online in January because I'm trying to get it to where I'm doing 1 Happy Mail video a week. I've got a backlog of them right now that I'm working through in December, and then in January and February I should be able to get it to where I'm making 1 and posting 1 per week. If I make 3 or 4 videos in 1 week for Happy Mail, then I can't. That takes up my month of Happy Mail Mondays, so I'm trying to save them up. Don't put everything away. I do look at them, acknowledge it privately to the person that sent it, and then just set them aside till I have free time to do a video with 3 or 4 of them or whatever. So the first one, I'll do the little ones first. We've got a brown envelope here from Mel Beach in San Jose, California. So we've got another one of these awesome forever stamps. And looks like, I don't know if she bought the envelopes like this. It kind of looks like they are pre-printed envelopes, but this looks like a stamp. Happy Mail. And then I think this was an ATC swap. I'm not mistaken. I looked at them. This was earlier last week. So she sent me some goodies as well as the ATCs. So we got strawberry cream pie recipe ATC, little floral one, and I liked this because that's the way I do my floral fodder. And then this one with the jar, I just love jars. And this almost had like an Edith Holden look to it, and I love the background on this one too. So there's 3 ATCs, and then she sent me a bunch of book page. We've got dictionary. This one looks like German or something like that. This one looks Middle Eastern. And then one that's Oriental. And then I would say this is Oriental as well. So those are great in collage. And then some doodles. And that gives me the idea to just doodle on top of this stuff too. And then yay for Happy Mail. Thanks for trading art with me, Mel Beach. Oh, and that looks like that's her little logo thing. And these are the sleeves that she sent the cards in. So I do save those, and I'll just take the washi tape off of them. So that's fun. I'll get those ATCs put away. I'm going to keep those with the envelope so I don't forget whose is whose, even though it does have her name on the back, doesn't it? But I like to put the address on a little clear post-it note and before I put it in my binder. So that's a cool little package. And then this one is from Tara DiNucci from Vestal, New York. And she's got some nice little stickers, a nice forever stamp, some stickers. And let's see what this one was. I think it's also an ATC. Yeah. So there was 3 ATCs in a card. Thank you, enjoy. And I love the card. It looks like paint pour. So don't forget to fly with a real feather. And a snow globe. I've always liked snow globes. And then a jellyfish on a bubbly background. So lots of fun. And then more of the clear sleeves. So pretty soon I'm going to have to do a flip through of my ATC book for you. And then there's 2 larger ones here. This first one is from Bobby Jo Lackey in Moncton, New Brunswick. And she is Bobby Jo Made This by Hand is her call letters or call words, or maybe she has that as her business name, I'm not sure. But we got a Santa sticker and a Christmas tree sticker and a little kitty cat Christmas sticker. Actually, it's funny because it kind of looks like it's in a Halloween costume thing, but then it's got Holly. So let's see what she sent me. She sent me some ephemera and stuff, and a note inside of this beautiful handmade card. So we got Judy, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I want to thank you for granting me one of my wishes. It was so appreciated. I hope you can use some of these items I have included. Please feel free to reuse this card. Yours, Bobby Joe, aka Bobby Joe made this by hand. So the card is quite nice. It's got a little flag here, thinking of you at Christmas. And then it's a collage on the front with all like square edges and a little bit of silver and some feathers. Very pretty. And this I thought was really cute. Little open up for your post-it notes. That's a cute way to send them. And an ATC, Peace on Earth. That's definitely going in my book. Bobby Joe made this by hand. November 2025. That's the envelope for the card. And I thought this was really cute. This would be a good way to use up some 6x6 papers. We just made a little tall skinny pocket and put an emery board in there, and then put a little cluster on the front. Very cute. This little book, spiral bound book, Baking Spirits Bright, with a little bit of tassels. And it's got, you put in your recipe, I guess. That's good for just your Christmas candies and cookies that you like to make every year, or to give to a younger person in the family who would want like mom's recipes or grandma's recipes. And then this has some tags in it. In the back pocket here. Well, I thought it was the back pocket, but there's a couple more pages. But that is really cute. Just a little board book. And then there was this paper bag with some more goodies. So we have this little gnome. And it's got a hole here. I'm not sure what it's actually supposed to be for, unless it goes on a wine bottle. That could be. It could be to put down over the neck of a wine bottle if you're giving it as a gift. I bet you that's what it is. It's a little gnome that says Noel. And that's a neat way to use some tinsel or fluffy yarn in the background behind a die cut. And then a stamp of thinking of you at Christmas, and that's already got the tape applied to it to use it. And then this little VW bus with the Christmas tree on top. I love that. And it's a little pocket that you can put stuff in. So that's a fun one. I want to make sure her ATC stays with her address so that I don't forget who's who. And the rest of the stuff, I've already sent a picture to her so I can look back in my messenger messages to see what it was that she sent me if we go to trade again. I do that all the time. And there's one more here, and this one's from Carla Bryce, Carla Bryce from Hamilton, Ontario. And this was from my own Facebook group, Thistledew Creations. We did a napkin swap, and Carla and I decided to swap together. And so there's a little Christmas card. I love this tiny little size of it. And it's may the joys of the season bring you happiness now and always. Happy New Year wishes for 2026. And another little note. Here are some napkins for your crafting collection. Hope I didn't send too many duplicates from before. Well, Carly, it wouldn't matter if you did. We just keep using them. So there was some Christmas ones. I kept those out on top because I'll probably want to use them right away. And then I love the Grinch one. This blue and yellow my West Virginia colors. I've had this one before, but I don't know if I got it from Carla. I could look back in my messages and see, but it doesn't matter. I like it. I'll use it again. And I've received this one before from Remy Pander out west, so I'm wondering if that's where you got it too. And then there's some with cacti, some with butterflies. And I love this little floral on the blue background. And I have this one, that's okay. I love the teal and purple together. And I didn't have this one, marble. I think it's just marble on one square. And then the sugar skulls are awesome. I'll put them in my Halloween box along with these 2 pieces of Halloween cardstock. So I try to put those things right in there because that's the only time I'll use them. So they might as well be in that box, because if I don't have them in there, when that time comes, I won't use them. So I'm going to get all this stuff put away, and it's just about time to start some supper. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you tuning in, and do let me know down below what's your favorite thing to send and receive in Happy Mail, and do you know about ATCs? Let us know that too. And if you don't, then we've got a good playlist that you can watch to learn all about them and see the ones that I've made and some of my collection. So thanks again. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.